Cats are naturally more active during the evening and early morning hours due to their crepuscular nature. When the house becomes quiet and dark, their senses sharpen, triggering bursts of energy and alertness. This increased activity often comes with vocal sounds such as meowing or chirping. A lack of mental and physical stimulation during the day can lead to restlessness once nighttime arrives. If your cat spends long hours alone without play or interaction, it may release stored energy after sunset. Running around, jumping, and making unusual sounds can become a form of self-entertainment. Providing interactive toys and dedicated play sessions earlier in the day can help reduce this behavior. Some cats quickly learn that vocalizing gets a response from their owners. If your pet feels ignored or wants interaction, it may choose the quiet hours of the night to express that desire. Over time, this behavior can become a nightly routine, as your cat associates nighttime vocalizing with attention and engagement. When the household settles down to sleep, a cat may feel isolated, especially if it is strongly attached to its owner. The silence can heighten their sense of separation, prompting calling sounds meant to locate companionship. This is particularly common in single-cat homes. Unusual nighttime vocalization can also signal physical distress. Pain, digestive issues, or age-related conditions may become more noticeable when distractions are minimal. Cats may cry out because they are uncomfortable or confused, especially older pets experiencing cognitive changes. If the sounds are persistent, intense, or paired with other symptoms, a veterinary checkup is essential to rule out underlying health concerns. Hunger is a common reason cats make unusual noises at night. If your cat feeding schedule does not align with its natural activity cycle, it may meow or cry in the early hours while asking for food. Ensuring your cat receives balanced meals at consistent times, especially by offering a small meal before bedtime, can help reduce nighttime vocalization related to hunger. Mating instincts can also lead to loud and persistent nighttime noises, especially in cats that have not been spayed or neutered. During heat, a female cat may yell repeatedly in an effort to attract a mate, while male cats may respond with loud, restless vocalizations if they sense a female nearby. These sounds are typically much louder and more intense than normal meowing. By understanding the underlying cause of your cat's nighttime noises, you can take the right steps to restore peace in your home, while keeping your feline companion happy and healthy.